Look at this triangle. Is it a right angle triangle? You have 5 seconds to think about it. Alright, time's up. Now, by just looking at this triangle here, most of you will say that yes, this is a right angle triangle because it has this small square here, and that small square represents 90 degrees in geometry. Well, if you are thinking along that line, you are correct. But what if I tell you that this is not a right angle triangle? Would you believe me? Well, for this video, we are going to prove whether or not this triangle is a right angle triangle by using the Pythagorean equation. Welcome to the Pacific Echo. Now, before we use the Pythagorean equation and do the calculation, we have to identify the sides of this given triangle. So here we have 9 centimeter and we have 15 centimeter here, then we have 12 centimeter. So we have two sides here, and then we have the hypotenuse. 15 centimeter is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle given there, 90 degree given there, and then it is also the longest side. So yes, 15 is the hypotenuse. Alright, so now we know the different sides of this triangle. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to apply the formula or the equation. Now, what equation are we going to use? The equation that we are going to use is the Pythagorean equation, and that is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. So we are going to use this equation to prove that this triangle here is a right angle triangle. Alright, so there we go. We have a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Now we are going to again install this length here into the formula, into the equation. So there we go. A squared is 9 squared plus b squared is 12 squared equals to c squared is 15 squared. So there we go. We have 9 squared plus 12 squared is equals to 15 squared. Now 9 squared is equals to 81. 12 squared is equals to 144, and 15 squared is equals to 225. Alright, so there we go. We have 9 squared is equals to 81, 12 squared is equals to 144, and we have 15 squared is 225. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to compare, and we are going to prove that yes, this triangle here is a right angle triangle. Now this is the very important part here. Take note of it. Now when you are going to compare, you will when you're trying to compare, make sure you understand these points here. According to the formula, we have a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Now we will have to make sure that the sum of the squares of the two sides, which is the sides here, 9 centimeter and 12 centimeter, the sum of these two squared should be equal to the square of the hypotenuse. If that doesn't confirm or satisfy, then this triangle here is not a right angle triangle. So let's see. So there we go. We have 81 plus 144 is equal to 225, and 15 square is indeed 225. So what does that mean? It definitely satisfies Pythagorean equation. So yes, this triangle here is a right angle triangle.